Hello and welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Jen and I do all sorts of clothing unboxing videos, from the well-known Stitch Fix to some of the less well-known like Suitable You, like I'm doing today. If that sounds interesting to you, then please subscribe below. For those of you who are returning, thank you so much for your support. Thank you for coming back and watching. I appreciate it. So today we are doing a Suitable You unboxing and I'm very excited about this box. It is what I like to call the Stitch Fix Up business wear. So it is very similar to Stitch Fix in the sense that you get 5 items. You do get 4 days instead of 3 to figure out what you want to keep. Again, you send back what you don't want to keep and they only charge you for what you do keep. There is a $20 styling fee on this that only gets credit get back if you buy 3 or more items, but if you do buy 3 or 4 items, you get 10% off, and then if you buy all 5, you get 20% off. So I do like that you do get a percentage off for buying 3. That's a nice part of this. If you are interested in trying it, you can get $20 off of your first box by using me as a referral. What you do in your style profile is it asks you how you heard of them and you list referral, and then you put in my name, Jennifer Evans, and both you and I will get a $20 gift card. I do want to give a shout out thank you for those who did sign up using my referral. I very, very much appreciate it. So Pilar, Allison, Tammy, Devin, and Bev, thank you guys so much. I really, really appreciate it, and I hope you have fantastic boxes. Like I said, this is my second box. My last box I really enjoyed. There were some unique pieces in there. I found that I apparently like paper bag pants through trying there, so I'll put a card up for that video if you're interested in watching it. Also, in my first video, I give a little information about the charity that they partner with, so check that out as well. And let's go ahead and dive into this. I'm so excited to see what's in here. Again, I have no idea. I told my stylist, Maria, I said, basically more of the same. I was really happy with the last box, so just do something similar. So we'll see what's in here. Can't wait. Pull this stuff out. Okay, so first off, we have a nicely packaged bundle here, and then you get your mailer to send back what you're not going to keep, and the stylist note, which I am not going to look at. So let's just go ahead and dig on in here. This is just always my favorite part. Okay, so, and then in the bundle is a card that tells you everything you need to know about Suitable You and what you get regarding the styling fee credit and the percentage off, and there's a checkout process online. Okay, first off, I'm really excited to get into this. First off, we have a blazer. Ooh, okay. So it is kind of a black and white plaid blazer with some faux leather on it, and it's in on the inside lapel as well, and there's a button closure on it and some fake pockets. Yeah, those look like they're fake pockets, and this is by Arc & Co, and it's a really nice blazer. I love it. It's unique, and I had another blazer that had faux leather on it, and I put it in the dryer for too hot and ruined it. So if I keep this, I won't do that. But I really like that. Next up, we have, oh, this is a dress, and it's got a tie that goes in the back of the dress. This is a really nice material too. It's navy blue, has a zipper in the back, and I really like this dress. This is very cute. This is by Apricot. So far, everything is going great here. Okay, then we have oh, this is like 2 pieces. Button-up blouse is in here, and I think it comes with a cami. Yeah, there's just a cream colored cami that comes with it as well. So let's try to hold this up together. This is by Nanette Lepore. And just a nice cream colored blouse, which I am looking for more blouses, so this could be great. Next up, my girl sent me some more tie waist type pants because she knew I liked the last pair. So these are kind of a rust color. I think I'm going to have a similar crotch experience with these. I think that's just the style with them, so I'm going to have to figure out, can I deal with that style? So by similar crotch issue, I mean the last pair, the crotch kind of went down like an extra couple of inches from where I felt like it should. And I think that's just the style with these paper bag type pants. But I really like these. Really like these. And then last we have a pencil skirt. It's a dark gray, kind of a charcoal color. And I would love to make this mine. So hopefully this shall fit. It's Panniz New York. P-A-N-I-Z. So hopefully this will fit. Okay, I am really happy with everything she sent. And I can't wait to try this all on. Oh, no. Let's go through the style. Now, I'm not going to go through the prices, but I do want to read the style note. Hi Jennifer, I know you were looking for a fitted white blouse with 3/4 sleeves. I don't have a fitted blouse in stock right now. I can put one aside for your next style date when it becomes available. I do have the Talia blouse, which is described below. Here's your style guide. And then the style guide is basically lists out everything and how you can style it. Okay, so here we go. The Apricot Ramona dress is a classic fitted dress. This dress will take you from day to night. The Becky belted pant is a beautiful high-waisted mauve trouser with an adjustable belt. Wear this trouser with a variety of tanks and blouses. Pair it with your Patricia blouse. Throw your Ava blazer over for a business appointment. The Patricia blouse goes with everything. Wear a cami for added coverage. Pair this blouse with jeans, pants, and skirts. The Ava suiting blazer is a black and white blazer with faux leather trim. Wear this blazer with jeans, pants, and skirts. Pair it with your Becky pants. I thought you would like the Panniz Anise pencil skirt in gray, and we sized it up for you. Tuck in your Patricia blouse and wear with the blazer for a classic looking outfit. I hope you love your Suitable You box. XOXO Maria. So thank you so much, Maria. I do love it so far. Let's try this stuff on now. Okay, I have 3 of the pieces on, so let's kind of start at the top and work our way down. So the blazer I really like. I think it's unique. It's different than anything that I have. My only complaint is I wish it was a little bit more fitted. I see that it is a small, so I may try to size down to an extra small on this. But if I am able to size down, then this is like a no-brainer keeper for me, because I just think this is a good, unique blazer to wear over a black dress or something like that. So let's move on to the blouse. I like the blouse. I don't know that I'm like super excited about it, but I do like it. The pants I really enjoy. I think these are a lot of fun. I think these are different than other dress pants that I have. I feel like I'm both stylish and 80 in these. And I just think they're fun, and I like the color of them. And they are very comfortable. You guys let me know what you think of these pieces. I'd really like to hear that. I think the blouse is a little bit big, so I don't know. I'm going to go ahead and pull it out so you guys can see exactly what it looks like. There you go. And again, the pants, I like the belt on the front. I like the pleat on it. I don't know. It might not be the world's most flattering shape on me, but I'm still kind of into it. So yeah, you guys let me know what you think. Okay, let's try on the dress. This dress I love, and I shall make it mine. I really like it. It's a good length. I like this piece here, the way this kind of drapes and then sticks down a little bit below. I like all this pleating and draping here. And then the back has got the deep V and the pretty bow on it. And I mean, it's a tie here, but a tie here. And I really like this dress. I think this is, you don't have to give me your opinions on this one. I know I love it. So yeah, I'm keeping it. Okay, I really love this gray skirt. It's not too tight on my bum or hips. And my only complaint is it has slightly extra room here in the waist, but with a shirt tucked in, I didn't really notice it, and it's potential. I have lots of shirts that are meant to be worn out, so I'm cool with that. I can't size down because I don't want it to get any tighter in the bum thigh area, so but I think this is still a definite keeper for me. I really like the skirt. It feels really nice. It's lined. It's a great skirt. So really happy with this. Now let's go over the prices. Okay, so starting with the pencil skirt. This is the Pezzi Zenise Gemma Charcoal pencil skirt, and it is $67.50. I am keeping it. I really love this skirt. This is the Nanette Lepore Patricia Cream blouse, and it is $59. I don't think I'm going to keep this. I just kind of felt, looked a little bit big on me. I just didn't love it. The dress, this is the apricot Ramona dress, and it is $79. I love this dress. I think it's a great business dress / just other things I need to dress up for a dress, and it is $79. This is the JOA Becky belted waist trouser. It is $75. I'm kind of on the fence as far as this. I like them. I know it's not necessarily the most flattering pant on my body type, but I've still been really into it, so I could use people's opinions on this. And then we have this is the Arc & Co. Ava Plaid Suiting Blazer, and it is $44. I can't remember if I mentioned this. The belted pants are $75. Okay. $44. The price for the entire box is $324.50, but if you take off the 20% discount, if you buy all minus $20 styling fee, then if I bought everything in this box, it would be $239.60. So saying that, I know I'm going to keep at least 3 of these items, because the pencil skirt is a definite yes, and the Ramona dress is a definite yes, and the blazer is dependent upon being able to size down, and the trouser I'm kind of on the fence with. So we'll see between the two of them. If I don't do the blazer, I'll do the trouser, and vice versa. So I am going to get 3, which will get me the 10% discount, and we'll get the $20 credit applied. So plus I've got some referral credit. Thank you guys so much for that. So I will let you guys know once I figure out exactly what I'm keeping, but I could use some opinions on a couple of these pieces. You guys are amazing. I love everybody's opinions. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you have not subscribed yet, then please subscribe below. And if you did like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And hopefully we'll see you in the next video. All right, bye.